Viewers and subscriber, me get lawyer and go court. Look, me get lawyer, go court. And you lawyer tell the judge in the court, you cannot charge him for that. That is one words. How you fit charge somebody criminal charge with bang belly goat, bag your face when you come a court and you suck a little money out of me and you want to suck a little blood. Which is where the lawyer, when me get to go court, him know the people him long time. Him also tell me what to do. You understand me? Because he know how the girl operate. You understand me? Even the lawyer tell me what to do. And when he got court, he tell the judge, you can charge me feet. And then you are going to tell me, me I make trouble with the girl. And you will represent me. You now call me and tell me, say, the girl tell us me I make trouble with him. Because we don't know no one another. Not true. We don't know no one another. I'm a Jamaican. So no one try to send me a jail for fucking nothing. All misreaded. You have one liar when you're misreaded. When the people them send check to me, I'm going to report it. Because she was the first liar. You hear when them turn to me and say they don't like fucking Jamaican people. You understand me, I did? And the DPP send me to she. You understand me, I did? And when me go to she, you hear when she tell me she don't like fucking Jamaican. That means that anything them I do, me no fi report me if you just low it and just wall. You understand me, I did? Me no fi say nothing. And we, by the end of the day, who I go get it wrong? And me, I go get it wrong. Because I never end up make no report or nothing. You understand me? I did that. Every minute, she can't me name go in a fucking courthouse. Nothing at all. And look how far me from fucking them. And them fucking believe because me is a fucking Jamaican. You understand me? I did. These people don't like fucking Jamaican, yo. And watch. The lawyer tell him say they can't charge me for that. Where? People, I know me that fucking court. From 2023. The lawyer tell him say they can't charge me for that and they have me in a court scene where I forget all different fucking liar because what you know, the liar try start to turn against me, talk against me. Because the liar know the fucking people them. And the whole of them know them one another. You understand me? I believe them are some family. You understand me? And the judge now, where she keep up, he fuckery with the girl. So the liar find out say that him have to do. So he have to keep up his fuckery with them too. You understand me? I did, and I could style and I go tell me about me I send chat to girl that are dirty thinking. Rasta head Thomas. You look a dirty Rasta boy where them fucking can't read. Them dunks. Everything a one man them have to run to. And they don't like fucking we. You understand me? I did. They don't like we. And everything you don't know what to do, you not run to one fucking man and you don't like we. So why you not run to the man and you don't like we? You don't like we. And we know that. What is a fucking bang belly goat? People, right now, I have to get different lawyer. I have to get different lawyer right now. And you hear what fucking man tell me? Even a next lawyer tell me, say, yo, I have them fucking have you up. Have them have up you. How can you have somebody in court for bang belly goat? People no check. Viewers and subscribers, check your whole issue. Even the lawyer will represent me. No. Tell them say no. I have them have you have. Mr. Brown, I have them have you have. Oh, you have somebody in court for bang belly goat. TikTok. Grenadians do not like foreigners. Yeah, I'm telling you that. People, I'm out. I go back to court the 12th of December. So if you don't see me on TikTok or YouTube, they lock me up with bang belly goat. I mean, sure, in my blood clot self, I don't give nobody no money. So they have to go hold me and they have to go dig you out of my pocket. These people don't like fucking foreigners. And when I see that, I go lick out. And I don't fucking care. Only thing they can do, take back them citizenship. You understand me? Because they don't like fucking Jamaican. I mean, I'm afraid for talk. One good thing them can do, take back them fucking citizenship. And that now stop my life. You're overs. Guys, I'm out. People, the judge, I go give me restraining order. Right now, restraining order damn yard. Hey, when you scroll down on my TikTok page, I wanna go see certain things and I go post this make you see it. People, right now, them say if me post any video so when I go court with if me talk anything about it on social media, them are gonna give me life sentence. How the fuck you gonna give me life sentence? I mean nah talk about it. And you see the 12th of December when I go court, I go up on a fucking live. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna just look out for everything while I go on here. Alright guys, I'm out.